Hello, dear business owners. Welcome to Vyoma One ERP, where cutting-edge innovation meets efficiency. Ready to take your business operations to the next level? Whether you're an enterprise or an SME, Vyoma One ERP has got you covered. With over 40 essential modules, we cater to all your business needs. This all-in-one system simplifies processes and boosts productivity. Let's jump into some standout features. First up is the full accounting module. It offers detailed financial reports and effortlessly tracks your budget. Next, we have the Invoicing module. It makes invoicing a breeze with user-friendly generation and quick payment processing. Say goodbye to delays and mistakes. Then there's the Inventory module, providing real-time updates on stock levels. Managing your inventory has never felt simpler. The Purchase module streamlines purchase orders, making it easy to manage suppliers. Keeping track of purchases is now a piece of cake. And don't forget about the POS module. Enjoy a seamless sales process with live transaction demos and easy customer management. Our CRM module is essential for nurturing strong customer relationships. It helps with sales analytics and elevates the entire customer experience. Finally, the Manufacturing module guarantees effective production planning and quality control. Keep your operations running smoothly and efficiently. Vyoma One ERP is your ultimate solution for all-around business management. Interested in discovering more? Reach out to us today to explore these features and how they can work for you.